Today, we're going to bring an actually a grabber. This is to grab things for those that have issues bending down, or you're going to take these out to the field. You're going to clean up some trash out there, or if you can't reach certain areas, this is actually a perfect thing. It's pretty simple to set up. All you got to do is meet the joints in the between, lock it in, and you're all set. Now, one thing you guys should be aware that these handles can actually rejoin somewhere else and actually rotate to certain degrees. So if you have to rotate them, you could, right? And they lock in. Now, very simple to use, easy to handle. Like I said, one end grabbed on, and you can grab pretty much anything on it. And the great thing about it, it does have a magnet down here. If you guys notice, there's a magnet here. So if you put something on the floor or anything, your keys, you could easily handle that stuff. Very simple, easy to use, and there's two sides of the magnets. And if you guys notice, look at the grips. They have like rubber ends at the grips, so it could grab onto certain things even harder. If it's too slippery or something, like bottled water, so you can actually grab them pretty good. They give you extra extension teeth right here, so you can actually hold on to the grip. The actual handle itself, um, it's easy to just pull, and it has actually a handle for your wrist in case you're going to drop it or something, or you're moving, or you're actually doing like fishing and you need to grab a fish that you're going to grab from the water. You can do that. You can use it for any occasion that you want. Really handy, easy to use. So hope you guys enjoy the video.